We have to attract people, means like any other industrialist. If they spend 100 rupees for producing a product, they will be spending 200 rupees for its marketing. So we have a population of almost 140 crore, 1.4 billion. And Telangana we have about 4 crore population. Most of the people doesn't know we have so much of our heritage, our monuments, our culture. We have to propagate. We have to inculcate the habit of going and visiting the places. It's not just for the fun sake alone, that also changes their mindset and improves the culture. So in the process, now, and the economic impact and employment.